Todd, I muted my sound. It literally said that right on the top of my OBS. Muted sound. So I was just, talking to nobody. Thanks for catching that one. Thank you, thank you. You should listen to your tools. I hate the sound of my own voice, so I don't listen to my tools. Moral of this, that's pretty much the only story. I just don't like listening to my own voice, so I just use Siri. Never mind. If I had been listening to my OBS stream, I would have noticed the lack of sound. But I wasn't. But I did get music working, so everybody should be proud of that. I fixed the music. We have not had music. So, that has been corrected, course corrected, I guess. The music intensifies? Or just me making my own music? That's how you beatbox, is with boots and cats. Well, actually, stream looks like it's super loud. It's not that I don't want the stream super loud. It's like... Oh, it's not loud? Okay, good. But my voice is clear. My voice is clear and happy and... Kurukuchi. Do something cool? Like what? The only thing cool that happens is when you tweet emotes. That's the only... Oh, that's broken. Emote wall's broken. I'm about to use Vim. That's cool, right? Oh, gosh. Neo Vim with Copilot. Hey, puppies! Oh, are you sniffing all the treats that I have hidden on my desk? You sure are. Where were we? I did an git pull. I pulled some stuff down. It was working. It worked. We got it working last week, I think. I just think it's cool that I have music working on this machine that has not been working since I started streaming on my new computer. I did it. And now I was supposed to go run. Oh wait, we should check to see what the tweet says. Back to opening Vim. Oh yeah. No, we already tweeted that. We got another subscription! I fixed my alerts. Why are my alerts not showing up? That's annoying. I fixed them. I had them working. Thanks, Todd, for the subscription. I had them working. They were working on OBS. Like, I spent an hour on Tuesday doing that. And then for them to just not show up, I don't know. That's Stream Elements. Streamlabs never had this problem with their alerts, but Stream Elements, their alerts are having issues, They were working. I did have... see, look. Just go right here. And then I press emulate. Follower event. Look. Harry is now following. Okay. Look. Okay, let's move this so that you can actually see. It's emulating that. Now I do emulate one subscription event. That's what it should have looked like for you, Todd. It should have looked just like that. And it didn't. So I don't know why it didn't, but there you go. There is your subscription, Todd. It's almost a Captain America. It's something, yeah. I hope that they don't have copyright issues with that. Thank you. It would have been so dope had that happened when Todd subscribed. Clearly it's set up to work. I can emulate it, but did I not turn it on? Was there an extra turn on thing that I had to do? We should stream elements, my overlays, do I have to emulate works? Do I have to properties? Alert box? No, I want it. Dota? Counter-Strike? They only have... Oh, okay. Who cares? Was there a turn on button that I'm supposed to do? Session data? Look! Goals. Settings. Reset 15 missions after. Session data. I have 6. What the heck is this session data? See, look, it's not even up to date. Because Todd's the most recent. So I don't know. I don't know why it's stupid. But anyway. We'll have to send them a message. I know people that work there now, so I can just send them an angry message. What should our tweet say about Go West? You'll share the... There's no option. You can only... There's only first, second, and third, depending on how much money you want to pay, and Prime's always first. Also, I'm looking for good memes to put on t-shirts that make people laugh. So if you have any good ideas for memes, let me know. Okay, so now that should work. And this is just to test, make sure everything runs. Let's also, we have a database query that prints to the standard out, so this is just sanity check to make sure we don't go backwards. SSL not enabled. You're right, it's not. Now it is. Look, we closed the database, we got a video, making data easy and go. Let's see. If we go to the Twitters, which account am I signed in? Oh, I'm signed in on my account. So if I go to my profile, can you tweet and Golang? See, it does work. Okay, we haven't gone backwards yet. So now let's see, today we're going to take our database templates and convert them into tweets. That's goal 1. And then if we can get the video from the database to tweet, then I need to 1, quit tearing down my database every time. And 2, get it to run on a schedule. So we will go nvim main.go again. Cool. You guys see that okay? Is that big enough? Do I need to make it bigger? Ooh, that's new. DB video, I think, is where we had it. Yeah. Do you like my SQL? This is how I think everybody should manage their SQL. I can make it a little bit bigger. How's that? That's way better. Kurokuchi. I want you to know that every time I get on Twitch, this goal reset. So it's almost like you have to have 3 subs, like 10 subs in a single, like stream. So, you know, that's good. So we have a select random video that runs, and am I just fumping that right here? No, I'm actually calling that from somewhere else. Not from there. Am I calling it from main? I might be calling it from main. Oh, I'm calling it from bot YouTube video. Oh yeah, I made a bot. Tabe internal Autobots Unite. What did I know? Oh, I called it Bot Guts, and then it's Autobots Unite. See, look. Autobots Unite. Made to. So yeah, I may or may not have broken things several times this week in production. It's okay. So right here in the bot that we start, we're printing it, right? So we select random video and then we print that. And so we don't need that. And so now we want to call the send tweet that we're calling from main. And we should have db.twitter client. Oh, sorry, it's called Autobot.Twitter client. I don't know why I'm calling it Autobots, but why not? Then we should get some Autobot emotes to come up on the screen, and then that would be cool, right? Maybe I need to reset my alert box. Properties. No, not like that. Mixer transform remove. Copy add. How long? I've been working on this Twitter bot for about a month, but like only on Fridays. So like probably a total of 16 hours. And but you know, remember that those 16 hours on Twitch ends up being about 4 hours of development time, because that's just how it works. Yeah, I don't know why. You just don't develop as much. So let's go ahead. So video is an object. We're not going to print that, but we're going to have a template here, right? So we'll just call this a tweeter string. We'll call it a video tweet. Video. Yeah. I mean, working with the Twitter API was not as fun as I thought it would be, but like what the fun of this project is going to end up being is that I do not have to remember to send tweets about videos for meetups and conferences. They just happen automatically, and tag people, and then people get exposure to Forge and what our mission is, and how, you know, we want to teach people things and educate them about like the technologies and stuff. we'll say video drop, and then we'll do a new line. We'll have, that's not the new line. Why was that weird? That is the new line. That'll be the title, and we'll say by this wait, let me remind myself. We have a Twitter username. That's the account. And we have the playlist. Okay. So we're going to have to actually create a function that generates this. Look at that, Todd! It thinks you subscribed just now! It did work! It worked! We've got a Todd! Oh, it showed up eventually. Yay, Todd! Woo! Yay, Todd! Oh my goodness! Thanks again for that subscription, Todd. Yeah, the delay of the stream, 10 minutes. The gopher is the Nyan cat on my stream, or for Go developers. Hey, Lulu. I don't have any. Look, it's right there. You sniff that? You sniff it? You sniff a treat? Use your sniffers. Good girl! Did you find a treat? Good girl, use your sniffers. Okay, you keep using your sniffers. Mom's got some more hidden back here if you can find them. Oh, no, she's got to go bark at people walking around, you know. So we'll just make the tweet here. Let's go ahead. We're going to do a to-do move to Twitter package. But for right now, look, it's already, we just needed to create string. Yeah, that's exactly what I need. And no, so basically, we will return a FUMPT with a video title, video URL, and a video, but we don't need the video description. We're gonna say, oh, that's pet appearance. Were you actually able to see Lulu's head? You wouldn't see the other dog. That's for sure. Dang it. I was just talking to her. She could have been imaginary. I could have no dogs, theoretically, and I just talk to them. So we'll say year hashtag. We're going to say var year hashtag. And then the other thing we want is we will have to add this. Well, we'll just start with the year hashtag. So we'll say video drop. I am not a marketeer, so you know. Oh, this is definitely not child-friendly music. Maybe I should put mature audiences on this stream because of that music. Dang it. I hope y'all heard it. I want you to know, Todd, once upon a time, I forgot to edit a meetup, and the first 3 seconds of the meetup, pre me editing it, was just you letting off a litany of words just to like satisfy everybody's conscience. It was only like the first 3 seconds. I got in trouble and I had to go change it. It's not there anymore, but it was quite hilarious. Okay. Don't let anybody at work know your secrets, Todd. Yeah, so we would want that, space, video URL, and then we would want this to be a hashtag. Your hashtag, and we'll say, yeah, something like that. But this is just going to be hashtags in general, space, Golang, space, GoWestConf. It was enough to, get, Jason, Newman to, get mad at me and say it was unprofessional, so. You know, whatever. Well, they're not there anymore, but there was. So, okay. Give me a second. I broke something. Oh, it's called YouTube video, so we'll take that. Username, last sent time. Obviously, I don't have a field that's going to help me with the date, so we'll just clear that. I need to add some fields to this database, but I wasn't as concerned about those. There's that. And we're not going to do that. We're just going to kill that. And we don't need this then. Technically, for now. What's their issue? YouTube video does not have a title, or no, it doesn't have a title. It's called name. And it has a video something. It's called video URL? Yeah, of course it is. Why would I just call it URL? Why would I make it like any kind of like readable? You know, whatever. Whatever. No, we want this in Autobot YouTube vid. Now I do have a, we can just go back up. Title. See, now they do match. Videos declared and not used, you're right. So we're going to do this for now. Make video tweet, and then we're going to give it video. Buffer switching, am I doing something wrong? I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Oh, does that not return a pointer? Well, then we won't. Oh, it should return a pointer. I'm learning about pointers this week. Oh, my Vim buffers? This is NeoVim, Todd. It's now officially magic. Yeah, I've been learning about all kinds of things this week. I'm prepping. Mira Violet. What does that say? Thank you for following Mira Violet Zira. Mira Violet Zira. Oh, it's supposed to do that, Todd. You're not supposed to be able to follow what I'm doing at all. And a good chunk of that is Copilot. Cause and I change to different windows, all that good stuff. That should work. That's the whole point. As long as you have no clue what I'm doing, I am a magical, super talented streamer. Right? Like, that's the goal. To hype up my skills. Instead of having people know that, I am completely replaceable and do the same work that other people do. We don't want people to think that. We're just going to do create and send tweet. Should we see if that works? Errors never used. What do you mean errors never used? Oh, that error is definitely not used. I like how it's logging it instead of returning it. Say that engineering is explainable magic to like a civil engineer, mechanical engineer, and then say that to a physicist. And the physicist is like, I can explain everything. Because I'm a physicist, right? Look at that. My productivity maximized. I am a physicist and I'm not jealous of you. You're jealous of me because I write code and understand black hole magics. Which is how I got my music working this week. Should we see if we can go run? Why did it run? Did it run because I wasn't on main? Ha! Should we see if that worked? Come on, Twitters. Short! Look at that. Okay. Writing GRP server, this one has sound. And usually, you can see, that was awesome. We just did that. We, the communal group, everybody supporting me, and my fingers, just literally sent that video. Go like it and retweet it right now. Everybody on here like it and retweet it. That's how we, that's called mob rule. Whenever people watching you do what you say, it's called mob rule. Or something. Something like that. I don't know. Dang it. Then go give the video a like on YouTube, or just, keep... Oh, Todd. As opposed to what? What were you before? Okay. Obviously, we've got some issues here. So now that we've got that working, I want to make this... Oh, yeah, that's for better. Oh, look. Oh, your Twitch presence is more than enough for me. Amazon Prime subscriptions, though. Like, if you subscribe to my channel with an Amazon Prime subscription, then you have my full devotion. Like, that's literally where all of my devotion is. Everybody who subscribes to me on like via YouTube Prime, via Twitch Prime, which is Amazon Prime, like I literally have to. Oh look, Todd liked my video job. Good job, Todd. I have to bow down to everybody who subscribes to me. 'Cause you're putting food on my table. Okay. I don't like this. But here's the thing. I just need to determine how I want it. And it only needs to be that way once. And then I can move this Twitch string, this video string somewhere else. Let's do this. Yes, the Pet Shop Boys is how you should always, is generally speaking what you do when you search Go West. That, like, search it on the internet, and if you don't have my search history, the Pet Shop Boys video is what will come up. There was a campaign to get that as our, to get that as the like official video of Go West. I just didn't have money to license it. So I think things we need to add to this. We need to add conference year, and that can be, yeah. What incarnation is this song? I don't know. It's this song. I don't have any playlists, but you can request a song somehow. Somehow there's a button. Oh, not this song. Oh, the Pet Shop Boys song, Go West, is somehow God's gift to mankind. I don't know how it's God's gift to mankind, but it truly is. And then we need presenter Twitter username. Come on, Kurokuchi. I'm too young for it. He's not a teenager, Jacob. I'm pretty sure he's the same age as you. Oh! So guess what came today, Kurokuchi? Just an hour ago. I got my punch-in bag. And I have, my Noble shoes. You can't see them. I'll lift them up. Look at these. Look at these fancy shoes. Let's see if the green screen will get rid of the bottoms of them. Just wearing my Nobles, and I got some free weights. So my home gym is coming along. Yeah. I'm breaking them in. I actually got a pair like 2 weeks ago, but they were slightly too big. So this is the size smaller. And now they're slightly too small. It's only a half size. I went from an 8 to a 7.5, and I went from huge shoes to like, now it's like my toes are touching the end. No, you're not a teenager, Jacob. You're the same age as Kurokuchi. Pretty sure. Okay, so maybe he's a year older than you. Whoop-de-doo. Okay, presenter Twitter username. I think that's all I need, right? Because let's go 24. Okay, so you... old as heck. How are you only 4 years younger than me? And I feel like I have no grasp on popular culture. Like something happened. Like you turn 25 and then you don't care anymore. Maybe. So, things I want. Oh my gosh, Jacobo. How did they even record music in the 1930s? Well, I know how. But it's just like the fact that those recordings still exist. So there's supposed to be some kind of button on my page. You're gonna request your... Oh, because this is SoundCloud, huh? Yeah, as long as you, yeah, you can do that. So it's a video drop. So we're gonna do from, and then this will be our first one, right? And this will be the, we're gonna have just a general var. We're just gonna say, hashtag year. And that's just gonna be you can't get a job as a dev. You'll get a job as a dev. Come on. You're the next one. We've got you slotted to get promoted. X. We're just gonna go west 2021. Like that's just gonna be the default. And it's gonna say, you don't hear any music? Well, it stopped for a minute. Now you should be hearing it just fine. Oh, it's just really quiet. Oh, I know why. I know why you guys aren't hearing any music. 'Cause I'm a dope. Now let's try this. I was just listening to this music by myself and I was so proud. Oh my gosh. I knew I'd change that last time. I changed the output to just be my mic because Wavelength crashed. And oh my goodness. Now I at least got it working. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. And then if right now we only have 2 video years, so if video year equals 2020, hashtag go west 2020. Yeah, okay, cool. And then we change this to video year, hashtag year. And so then we got a new line and we have the video title by, and then we add a string. Ooh. Jacobo, you found the tweet? You heard it? They call it a like on Twitter. No, you do make a good point, and by you I mean Twitter-Kuchi if you're still here. The only people on Twitter, generally speaking, the only people I see on Twitter are like 30 or older. Everybody else, if you're younger than 30, you're on TikTok. And then there's this like 3-year gap. People from 26 to 29 who are on Instagram. And that's me, right? Like I live off of Instagram. Everybody younger than 26 is on TikTok, right? Because Snapchat got usurped into TikTok, because nobody gets on the Snap. And then the old people the 30 over, they've got Twitter, and then if you're 45 and older, you don't know that there exists something by Facebook. You don't like my music, Todd? I didn't turn it down. But it is kind of loud, huh? I don't know. Did the music actually get turned down? A little bit, yeah. Oh my goodness. Mira Violeta Zira. Yeah, my nephew will like send me TikToks every once in a while. But that's about it. I had a great idea for a TikTok channel. And it would just be me explaining to people how to interpret data. Specifically COVID data, because nobody knows what the heck to do with it. And just tell them that everything you hear is a lie, because nobody knows how to interpret data. I thought it was a genius idea. It would be very educational, but I don't want to take the time. It was Twitter, presenter, Twitter, I think, is what we decided to call it. It doesn't exist yet. And then we have the video title and video URL, conference year, presenter, Twitter name, video URL, playlist. The playlist is where we're using that for the query, I believe. The video URL we're pulling at, and the last sent time we're gonna update. Did the hiring not work? Oh, it did. Okay, Nightbot did send it. Todd? I hope that greenhouse link doesn't disappoint too bad. I know we're hiring for engineering managers, so if you want to come be a boss, feel free. Oh gosh, now I have to update every single one of these, and this is why they make Twitter macros. Okay, so QU, QY, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go conference year. I can't tab. I have to actually write it. Presenter, Twitter name. Exactly. I think it would be amazing. Twitch channel. And then we escape. And then we do down. And we go Shift I. Escape. Q. And then we do 3 at Y. 4 at Y. 5 at Y. 5 at Y. What? Oh, sorry. 1 at Y. How many videos? I'm sure there's somebody that does that. Cheer now to be number 1. I've never quite figured out how like bits and cheering work. So, you know, there's that. Okay, so for these, I saw a video, speaking of useless graphs, I saw a video on Instagram, and it was to like positive, I think it was COVID deaths, And they're like, oh no, look how bad we are. But it was only like the first 6 months of COVID. Like it only went from March 2020 to like November 2020. So it didn't have any data from 2021. It like only went through the election, like a way to like, anyway, it was like the worst thing ever. It's like, great, I'm glad, like, you're trying to say, oh, COVID is so bad, but you're not showing the state of COVID, you're showing what it was pre-election, which is, there were so many problems with that data anyway. Okay, is that a quote, Jacobo? Like, did you steal that from somebody? Mark Twain and a few others, oh my gosh. So we need to add conference here. How far down? Oh, this is 2020. The link's broke? Well, then I won't click on the link. All types of Golang types. All types of Golang types. That's Carson, I believe. Oh. Do you like my tweet? Do you see that? If anybody wants to explain Web3 to me, that's great. I think I perfectly summed up in 3 words this whole how I feel that Web3 has been described to me on Twitter in the past 2 months. I've only heard about it for 2 months, only on Twitter, and that's what I've gotten out of it. So I think I've described it perfectly, but if anybody would love to enlighten me, I'll take it from you there. Carson Ops. Also 2020, and this is actually, we have 2. Oh my gosh. That's fair. I forget. Yeah, and Web3 magically has something to do with NFTs, and I'm like, how? Are we still on Bitcoin? Because, like, that's where I ended on NFTs. Okay, I know who the speaker is, but I don't remember. So we may have to, like... It was... we followed them once. Who do we follow? Oh look, you follow me. You followed... Why are we following all these random people? Oh yeah, it's Kevin and Alex Stockwell. They are the... We're gonna... Dang it. Like, this one has 2. So this is gonna be my problem with the fact that I said, oh, only 15, because otherwise it's not valid. Like, this one's fine, because it's just... I'm just using it as a stupid string, not as, like, a smart... like, I'm not using it to, like, log in, like the other ones, potentially. So let's go up here and change this from, like, to, like, 64 or something else. Okay. 2020, and this is, oh, the boot camp. Look, it's literally the next guy on the follow line. Jeremy Morgan. He writes, no, I don't want to look at him. I want to copy this. Oh my goodness. Let me copy his name. Can I copy it? Oh my goodness. Why was that so hard to copy and paste? And this one is Micro Machine Learning and Go. This is Josh. He doesn't have one. He's deleted his no. Go without generics. So you think you know Go Anatomy? Oh yeah, this is, we'll just call him Joshua Boles. It's Bowles, but gotta spell it right. This is Go Without Generics, a retrospective by Robert Burke. He is the maintainer of Apache Behemoth. Lost Luck. See, look. That one lets me copy. AKA John Mayer. Should I have said, should I tag John Mayer? By John Mayer. And like, then people will retweet it, and then John Mayer would be like, this isn't me. I'm just saying, wouldn't it be funny though if like I tagged John Mayer and be like, oh sorry, we generated this with like a facial recognition algorithm. Right? Right? Oh, the conference year is not an int. Oh gosh. Doy. We need to replace it with 2020. Wait. Undo that. Who put a 2 at the end of that, you weirdo? Yes. Okay. And now this one just needs to get rid of that too. I think that would be a fun project. Make like a have you seen those filters? I mean, maybe it's only for people who hang out on Instagram too much. The people between the ages of 26 and 30. But they have like these filters where you're like supposed to, like they're supposed to show you the celebrity you look the most like. They definitely are not using an AI bot, but I was just thinking, man, we could do that. That would be fun, but they've already done it. Functional programming and Go. That's Dylan Mayus or Mayus. Is he hiding in here? Did he have a Twitter? Dylan. That's this year's speaker, so maybe not. Let me just make sure I don't spell his name wrong. What was the last account on there? Oh, that's disgusting. Content. Functional programming. Functional programming in Go. Wait, I don't even have his name on there? How did I not do that? Oh, it is Mayus. Okay. Mayus. See? Somebody knew what's going on. This is 2020. And Dylan Muse. Funny enough, that talk was one of the many talks from our conference that was reused at GopherCon. So, you know, this is Corey Lanou. What's his? Corey. There it is. Oh, he changed his picture. This is again 2020. Oh, and I do not remember his name. Does anybody know what his name was? And I don't think he gave me a Twitter either. Go back. It was... Don't get distracted. Go up to nurture off programming go. There it is. Okay, he had to have his name on here somewhere, right? There it is. Alex! Oh, yes. Alex Useche. He was like... I think he was from Argentina. Yeah. Going serverless. Who talked about serverless? And who the heck is Joshua Brown? Are you guys still alive in chat? I'm sorry, this is super boring. Like, I really do apologize. Going serverless. Who gave this talk? Sorry. Oh! That was... he's from Uruguay. Bosniak, Bogat. That's his name. He lives in Colorado, I think. (2020). I think, well, the talks were definitely longer, but we had more speakers in 2020 and 2021. Ooh. This is 2020. And this is Johan Brandhorst, who now works for Bus. Johan? Yeah, Brandhorst with the T, or else that's not gonna tag nobody. I'm glad that the mouse buttons work. I had to add that plug-in to NeoVim, or else it's not gonna work. Go templates, great library bat. This is 2021. Did I really go through all 2020? I did. This is 2021. And this is Carson Ops again. You think the real poll is, do you think Carson will give a talk a third time? That's the real question. Practical tips for create. Oh, this is Clinton Berry. Clinton Berry. Clint. Do we follow him? I believe it's Clint Berry Ethereum. Right? See? He's got his Ethereum tag on there because he's a pro Ethereum guy. Why doesn't he have his new stuff on there? We have to know all of his stuff about his new startup that was hiring at one point. His new... What if I, just started spreading complete lies about his company? Saying it was, crowdfunded and HubSpot 2.0 and all that good stuff. Call stacks at Giverny. This is Julie's. Where is Julie? Oh, look, there's Clint Ethereum. I found Clint Ethereum. Lulu, baby girl, welcome back. Oh, you won't. Here's the thing. This only needs to be run once. So, I don't need to insert it every time. So, I'm gonna, kill it at some point. I might just, comment it out. Just, recycle it. Is that bad? If I was a cool developer, I would, do, a batch upload. And, it would be, a super awesome process. But I don't know why. Why would I waste my time doing that? Look at that. I used machine learning to determine bread, cheese, and wine pairings. I think you should actually do that. You could put that right up there, Jacobo, with your hamburger raider bot. And then we could have one that recommends charcuterie boards. Charcuterie board vendors. And how to get charcuterie boards. Building it across, so that's fine. So I'm gonna Andrew Williams, that's him. Come on, just let me copy your name. That way. Do it. That's what we got spare time for, right? Since we can't go outside because we're all gonna die from Omicron, we got spare time. Building a scalable API platform for streaming using Golang. This is Amit Mirsha. I believe he also gave this talk at GopherCon. But I don't know how to spell his name. Good news is I never updated the Go West website because I've been told I make horrible websites that have bad formatting and are full of errors. Mishra. I'm just the worst at names. They're super buggy. I've been told, straight up to my face, you can't make this website anymore because you make it look unprofessional, and we need something better. I'm like, okay, then somebody else do something. Yeah, as long as anybody else. I really need to. I haven't got the. I really need to edit that. The AMA and get that on YouTube. That is not on YouTube at the moment. 2021. But that one I needed to edit like for real, and I don't want to. Like, I haven't even edited the last meetup video. This one's got a strong guitar, you know? '20, 23, 2021. And who's this one? Building a home. You know, I was thinking, Kurakuchi, are you still doing PHP or did you finish that class? Have you, like, decided to learn a real language yet? Where is, or Florin Patan, DL Sniper? Nothing's happened since my last change. Oh yeah, I need to add that here. So if I go down to the bottom, we need to have a conference year, which is string conference year, and then we need to have a presenter Twitter, which is a string. Okay. We don't care about getting created at, but we need to add, here's the thing, is that the video, if the query has to have everything, or else it like explodes. Presenter, oh, it needs to be lowercase. See, this is the reason I like music. I don't feel so much pressure to be talking the entire time. Year's not defined? What do you mean? It's video conference year. And then we need to add one here, a function. See, oh my gosh, where'd you go? Function. Oh my gosh! Func. See, connection. And we're gonna call this update. Sent time. They just wrote that for me. And we're gonna care about that later, because at some point no, this isn't get YouTube video, it's select one random. to do filter. Oh, see, look at that. Everything knows exactly what I'm trying to say. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna send tweet, and then we're going to update last sent time of video, and then we'll do error equals last, what did I call it? Update said that. That's a really bad name. I like this update last sweet time better. And we're just supposed to give it the video updates itself, which was fine. This will generate. This Copilot in Vim is great. Good job, GitHub. We did a really good job, GitHub. I'm so proud of you. So, we're doing good though, guys. We're doing so good. My goodness. Okay. So I'm going to take this exit. Tab db, and then I'm gonna call this sequels.go, and then we're gonna add this. This is going to be video insert. We need a dot equals. We'll do a bar video insert, and then we can just do that. And then that didn't go there. So now, thank goodness. So now I can go db, and then when I do the create, right? Oh, that's great. Look at that. We'll get rid of that to do, because we don't need that to do anymore. Create query. And then let's do this. We'll say if, we'll do a select.
If I started murdering people,
we'll do a c.db dot I just want to count, so we'll just do a query. Query row is all we need that returns a SQL X row. And we can do this. We just need a select count of all. And this is just, you don't need to scan that. And we just, this is just to get a length, right? And this would be row. Check if table exists is what it does, and then we'll do if length if row equals nil, Oh, let's do that scan then. And we'll just check it if it equals 0. I like that.
Believe me, if I started murdering people, there'd be none of you left.
No, we're doing this. If table doesn't exist, or, yeah, that, then we will insert data. In this case, we will insert data, right? So now we have a c.db.mustExec context with a ctx, comma, insert query. Error equals if error. Does that not return an error?
Come we hit. It's a wipeout flex when FBs and OGs link in a boom. Jump on a one high octane banger that'll split your wig top and lift off the. When we break bread with a meal with. Made a luck we don't deal in. I got no time for jokers or spoofs, they get dumped on track to the
go deaf pop. Like look, like none of my mustExecs are doing error returns, so. And that's a result. Maybe I'll just print that. Insert query exists. Oh, it's called video insert. There we go. Should we try that? Right? Perfect. Okay. Now we're on main. Let's try to go run. See if that works. Oh, it broke. Connection line 71? Or why am I here? Can we just go back to main? Okay. It said line 71 had an issue? Is that what you read? 71 and 35. Go to 35 first, which is migrate, and 71 was the result. What was the issue with 71? Oh, it didn't like my context? It didn't have a problem with the context from create query before. Why is that context an issue? Well, it says, why don't you go look at SQL_context.go and it'll tell you. And I'm like, I don't want to. That's why I have this open. So I can go run. Oh. There we go. Panic near at syntax error. It doesn't like to insert the ampersand. Interesting. Well, then let's just delete the ampersands, and we can have that be just part of our strings, right? Like, there's no reason to have an ampersand if it's gonna break. Like, I can do this just as easily. Go pop. So let's go to our sequels, and we'll do a replace. Ampersand will replace you with nothing. Okay, let's try you again. Panic near war on shrugs. Syntax error? War on shrugs. What do you got for me, war on shrugs? Oh yeah, that's definitely a syntax error. Look at that. Did I do that? Don't do that. That's the only one with 2 speakers, but I think we're good. Cool, so now table is empty, which is interesting, the fact that table existed even though it was supposed to drop it. So maybe it didn't like actually drop the table, it just emptied it every time. I mean, we can check. Let's check. So if I do bash. What? Oh, I changed the password. Yeah. Well, sorry. Error near from? What does it say? It was error getting random video. I must not have. Oh yeah, we don't need a comma there. No, not that one. Yeah, it does. Does it not? Oh, it's called last sent at? That should have still sent though, right? Oh look, I have them in the wrong order. Somebody should have checked that. Come on, Twitch! Why aren't you keeping me honest? You're not keeping me honest, guys. You're not checking my code. This is like a really bad pairing session. I really would have appreciated it if we could have had a more productive pairing session together. And you had supported me. But whatever. Thanks, Jacobo, for, are you checking my code now? Are you making sure it's kosher? Look at that. So now I'll go back over here. Okay, I'm gonna do just a little bit more formatting. How's it going? Ivor, how are you doing? I've got it working. For the most part, I've got my sound fixed, as you can tell. So, yeah, I just had to install Black Hole. Again, I had that running in the past, so it's good for me. It's really, it works good for me. But now we've got a bot that's successfully tweeting templated tweets. You know, it's working really well. And it runs on startup. So let's add everything. We'll commit this. We want to say that this is, oh, I should probably, did I check out a branch for this, or is this just gonna pop it into master? I don't think I let that. So this would be tweet videos from the database. We added, yeah. Oh yeah, this only does one line. Add template, and then we generate tweet. And then that should, let's go ahead and check out a branch. We'll call this Twitch. Today is the 14th. And this is Tweetbot. Cool. I don't know why I call it Tweetbot, but besides the fact that I'm actually getting the bot part of it working, you know, working out real well. I think my computer's been heating up my drink, so I'm gonna have some hot liquids because of computer fans, you know, whatever works. But putting it on top of my laptop seems to be the ideal place for my drink right now. Cool, so now what's the next step? I think the next step would to be build in the timer. And I've done this before, super simple to do in Go. I just haven't done it for 4 years. But there's like a Go, like it's built into the standard library. See, Go by example timers. And you just use channels and you just requeue it. Ticker's what I've used. Sorry, ticker's when you want to do something once in the future. But a channel, what's the difference between tickers and timers? What was the difference? So in timers, so we want to execute Go code at some point in the future or repeatedly at some interview. Goals built in timer and ticker features, both of these easily. We'll look at timers first and tickers. Timers represent a single event in the future. You tell the timer how long you want to wait, and it provides a channel that would be notified at that time. This timer will wait 2 seconds. The timer 1 channel blocks on the timer on the timer's channel C until it sends a value indicating timer was fired. If we just want to wait, you could have done timed out sleep. One reason timer will be useful is that you can cancel the timer before it fires. Here's an example of that. Stop. Oh, okay. I do like that. The idea of stopping. What was ticker? Tickers are when you want to do something once in the future. Tickers are for when you want to do something repeated. Oh, timers are once. Tickers are repeatedly on a regular interval. That's why I wanted tickers. Here's an example of a ticker that ticks periodically until stop. Tickers use a similar, so my goal. Oh my gosh, there has no perspective for hands. The hand perspective is horrible. We've really been streaming for 2 hours already. Oh my gosh. We're doing good if we're oh my gosh, I just got distracted by the fact that Cockroach DB tweeted me back. Hi, Lulu! How are you? You just being a good girl, Lulu. Huh, you want to come say hi to the Twitch? I'm tired, I got to yawn. Not Twitch. Lulu had a small operation this week, so she's been a little bit extra clingy. We had to get her dew claw removed because she got it caught on something and had it ripped off the nail bed. I'm sorry. You know, whatever. It's just like getting your big toe removed, essentially. That poor girl. Okay, so yeah, we create a ticker, we run it in a GoFunk. Oh, and that just stops it? Well, we don't need to stop it unless we, exit.
Oh, you give a fucking aspirin an headache, pal!
No, I don't want all of it. I just want that one, the one that's out of place. This is not a mirror, guys. Oh my gosh. Be glad you don't have to worry about your hair sometimes. Until you grow it out. Then you have to worry about your hair. So, this is good. Did I push that up in a PR? Did I, push that to main? Oh no, I didn't. Let's make a PR. Add tweet template for Go West YouTube videos. Generate and send tweet. Other things we did. We added speaker and year information to DB. Add that. And then we update database with send time. No test functions, but it is running. Wow. And then this would be tweet the videos.
Oh, you give a fucking aspirin an headache, pal.
Okay, I'm actually gonna put this up on the Forge Slack and make Derek look at it. Derek is the co-organizer of Go West, so. If you're not on the Forge Slack, feel free to join. Or Forge has a Discord that Clint is setting up to use Ethereum. If you've ever wanted to. Yeah, there's that. Okay. Cool. I mean, I can merge it whenever I want. I can do what I want all day, every day. So I'm going to make a new branch from this, switch, January 14th. And then this is going to be the ticker, right? And so this, we're just going to focus on setting up the ticker that runs in the bot, right? We've already got that bot set up. And so this bot needs to have the ticker channel on it, I believe. I've done tickers before, I promise you I have. At least one time. I've done tickers at least one time. Oh my gosh. So yeah, sorry. I'm supposed to keep an eye on work Slack because there was a major migration this week, and even though we got it done, you never know what it means. Like, it's not done until it's done, right? And that's the end of the day today. Even though all the work's done, it's not done until the end of the day. This is my Christmas mug. It's accurate. This is the only day a year I get out of bed before the sun is up. And sometimes you have to force yourself to go back to bed. So we're gonna have two channels. We'll make a new ticker and we'll make a done channel. Right? No, we'll make, yes. No, the done channel's different. We're just gonna make a ticker here. I think, right? Because that's for main. That's the one thing I've never quite understood is I see the done channels a lot, and like, I understand their purpose. I've just never been good at determining the correct use time of implementation, you know? Like, when should I actually implement this? What does this say? I see there are no notifications here. Oh, look at those pretty puppies. Oh, Maxie was so skinny. Now he's such a chunk. Okay, so Golang done channels. Why use done channel? Oh, look. It's literally right there. Look at all of these things. I should probably read all of them. I should probably buy this book. Actually. Long story short, I'm giving a workshop this week, an internal workshop at my work, at Weave, for some of our newer developers, teaching them all about Go. And I always need to learn more. I'm gonna present myself like I know what the F I'm talking about. Where's done? Merge functions. Sends on a closed channel panic, so it's important to ensure all sends are done before calling close. The wait group super sync group provides a simple way to arrange this synchronization. Yes. Yeah, that stuff. When main decides to exit without receiving values from out, it must tell Goroutine's upstream stages to abandon the values they're trying to send. It does so by sending values to a channel called done. This is what I'm talking about. Sweeku, welcome! Don't take, no, like, just, you could just read this. This is not my workshop. This is just me working. This is just me. This is my time to work on my Twitch bot. But I definitely, like, need to understand best practices better when it comes to channels. Like, that, I guess that's where I'm lacking, is understanding Go best practices around channels. They're hard. So now I'm thinking about it. Since we're starting something new, might be a really good time for me to take a little potty break. You know, and then I can come back here in a minute, with you guys. Where does the music come from? Right here. It's SoundCloud music. Why? Oh, it's because it's from SoundCloud. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna take a quick little potty break. If you guys would not mind sticking around for the probably about like 5 minutes, we will be back. Well, 5-10. We'll be back, and then we can dive into this channel stuff and get the timer set up and create this little the timer bot that's going to run parallel to the main bot. Right, I'm building it first, but so there's going to be a main bot. There's going to be the Twitch bot, a Slack bot / Discord bot that allows our meetup organizers and our Twitch. So we only have 2 viewers. That makes me super sad. That allows our Twitch, our meetup organizers, and our anybody who's hiring to send tweets over to the Forge Twitter, you know, get stuff out there for everybody over 30 who's still on Twitter. And then I have this bot that just sends stuff every month, every week, sending out YouTube videos, so I don't have to remember to tweet them every week, because I won't do it, because I'm lazy. Anyway, so we'll get working on the parallel sendbot after my little break. Tell your friends to come join us, and we'll hang out then. I'll see you guys in like 5 minutes.
Tell me why.
We still there? Hello? Hello, hello? Who's hanging out with me? Are we back? Are we gonna learn about Go routines? Yo! How are we doing? So, welcome back. This is a good article to... I don't ever want to bookmark them. What's up, bud? Come here. You want to come say hi? You want to come say hi, pups? Come here. Well, you guys just go bite on each other's ears then. We may or may not have a problem at work. Oh, cool. Looks like they've figured it out. And that means I don't have to. Right now, I have more subscribers than viewers. I think that is backwards from how Twitch is supposed to work. I think I've broken the Twitch algorithm. And I think it's because I am a female who doesn't wear enough makeup. And I don't wear any makeup, and that's not enough for the Twitch algorithm. So, break the box is all I got to say. This means that the main can unblock all senders simply by closing the done channel. Yes. Yeah, I guess we need to read that. But the point of a done channel, right? So I see 5 sub points and 5 subscribers. So, but even though it says 3 subscribers up here in the dealio, maybe we're just special. Maybe, I don't know. It might just be, the Twitch API might be stupid. Not up to it. Half migrated. You know, the state of engineering things. But how it should be is we should have like 300 viewers and then 10 subscribers. Like that's how the algorithm's supposed to work, right? Right? Okay. So this explicit cancellation section though. Like, that is probably where I'm, like, should be paying attention to. Like, to me, that... Oh, we got 5 viewers now! My desperate cries to inflate the numbers must be working. Let me see if I can... Like, I have the world's biggest family. I don't know why it is so hard to get people to, like, watch this thing. When you've got a family as big as mine, and, like, there's, like, literally, like, 40 people with iPhones within, like, one generation of me. Like, come on. Why is that hard? Just tune in. Just, like, have it running. Inflate my... Have the algorithm get me more people watching. Right, Max? Roar! Yeah, they're definitely biting each other's ears. As long as they're not biting Lulu's foot, we're good. Main decides to exit without receiving all of the values from out, which is this done chat. Out. Oh, that's a... I didn't know you could merge channels. Did you know you could merge channels? It must to look at routines and upstream changes to abandon the values they're trying to send. It does so by sending values to the channel called done. It sends 2 values, sends a potentially 2 block senders. Sending routines replace their send operation with a select statement that proceeds either when send on out happens or when they receive values from done. The value type of done is simply No, you don't have to do anything with a unique IP. You're doing just fine, Sweeku. But you know, if you wanted to build a GoBot that had workers, and this is a great idea. You're onto something. Just a viewing bot, right? That literally... Oh, this is just Go channels, unrelated. I'm just, I'm looking at doing, having, right, I need to have the timer, which is the Go channel, and then we would potentially use channels for the tweets, but it's mostly, I just want to make sure that if we tear down my application, that it gets set up the right way. Right? Like, I can control C it all day, which is fine. I just want to make sure, like, I have a best practice for the done. Right? I guess. Because I'm going to have a timer, which is a pointer to time.timer. Sorry, not time.timer, time.ticker. Which is going to... What the heck just happened? This doesn't need to be here. What the heck? Tape, internal. Yeah, we need to have a ticker so that when we can make a video, not a video. I do have an overlay, yeah, on here for follows and stuff. But this is just, right here, this is just my terminal. Essentially, so this would be... Oh, there goes my camera. Oh, that's just the background. My terminal is, transparent. So it just makes it slightly harder to see, but I don't like the black background. Like, I really don't like, I like my terminal having, like, a colorful background, you know? But I don't want it white. Still needs to be like dark mode, you know? So we need to make a new ticker and a done channel. This we know we want. And this, we don't want it to be 500 milliseconds. We can have it be time.second. But, you know, let's make that one day 3600, and then after we make that one day, then we can make that times 7. Now it's, well, sorry, this is 1 hour times 24 times 7, so that runs once a week essentially. I don't like that. We're killing that. We're not gonna do it that way. We're just gonna do it the way I've done it before. We're gonna build, I mean, we can build a listener, right? That runs this bot, that runs the Autobot. And the Autobot will then, like, essentially what would happen is this tweet YouTube video would then live behind an API. We've done that before, it's really easy, and then I can deploy that to GCP, and we can have it just like run. I mean, literally, it would live and do exactly what the Cloud Run thing I had in the past do, right? Where, that I'm giving a talk about in 2 weeks. Crazy. So we would then build out the HTTP API. This tweet video would live behind an endpoint. And, you know, Bob's your uncle. The scheduler itself handles all that, and I don't have to do that because I want to essentially build it like a cron job, and I don't want to have to build something that checks that the date's okay. Like, I want it to run Thursday at 2 o'clock, and although I can engineer it, I've already built that. Like, I have something that runs in Go Run, in Cloud Run, that literally, like, every Monday at 1 a.m. it runs. So why on earth would I, like, do something if I know it works? Then what else would I do, you know? If I know something works, why would I change? Like, I mean, I can make it better later. Let's just make it work. You know? You know? So this is fine, the setup's fine. But essentially, now this needs to go behind an API. And so then every time I hit the endpoint, it runs, and then somebody else could do that endpoint for me. And that would be way better, right? Because then when I build out the Discord bot, then that's just running off the API. And then I don't even need channels. So much for learning about best practices for Go channels. I've completely removed the need for Go channels from this application. Yay! Cool. Let's see what we can get done today then. So like I said, I already have a repo with this working. So essentially, I know we can go over here, and it runs. And the web crawler has Firestore stuff because I store it on Firestore, but that's not what I really care about. Everything else, so this main.go runs everything. It's doing a listen and serve with my handle functions, and that's really all I need is to have 2 handlers set up. So let's go ahead. That is the best, like, to be fair, if you listen to anybody, they're gonna be like, don't use Go channels. Not that Go channels are bad, it's just, like, you very much, you have to be so conscious of memory and what you're doing with your application that if you're not, like, if you don't want to, or if you don't want to be conscious of memory and know those best practices, then just avoid them, which is what I'm gonna do. Sweet. We're going to just add this, right? Oh, I don't want that code anymore. I didn't want that. I want that button. Cool. And so now, I'm not going to put these in main. But we already have a client. Let's go ahead and we'll make it server. No, I was doing exactly what I wanted to do. Mixture, and instead of internal, with a P, we'll call it server. Cool. Yeah, and then we'll do a page server, and then we'll do http.go. That should be in server. And, go ahead and do that. And then, no, I want to be over here. Oh, that won't work. So we'll have just because I already did that. So we'll have a func, and we'll call this one serve HTTP now. It will operate on server. But it doesn't need this. I like that. But we'll call this, and it'll say serve HTTP implements. No, it doesn't do that because I killed that. Runs the HTTP server for GCP scheduler. Another reason to use the Cloud Run stuff, because I don't pay for it. It's free. You get it in like 900 runs a month. If there's 5 Thursdays. I mean 5. Sorry. You can't 5 from 4 from 5. Right? Like, we're just gonna get, does it run on Kubernetes? If you were watching my stream, you would know. Definitely don't need to deploy this to Kubernetes. I can just do exactly what I've done before. And like I said, I'm giving a talk on it, so it should be pretty easy. Lulu, you're back! So pretty girl, have you been outside parking again? Yeah, did you come say hi to Mom? You want to say hi to the camera? Okay, you sniff it. You keep doing your sniffers, go. Great. Actually, technically, this runs server. I've seen channels with OS exits. But like, anyway. It can return an error. And then this will just return the error if that happens, right? But that's probably not gonna work. It's probably gonna block. So I have a feeling that this will block. No, I don't think it'll block. I think that this will return and close server. Like, yeah, I don't think that this will just hang. And that shouldn't be main. We've already changed this to server once. Oh, and then, yeah, we need a server object. You thought my music broke? I can hear it. So, I do have a server object. That can just have that port that already lives on it. No, we need a type. We don't need a server. I don't need this right now. Oh, like, oh, you thought it was actually great, like. And then if I need to, I'll add it later. But health check, so we do func health check, which is the WHTTP dot response, and then R is a pointer HTTP dot request. Oh, that says writer, sorry. Response writer. No, that's wrong. Yeah, okay, it is response writer. I was right. And then this is our pointer to HTTP dot. Did something just come across my screen? Am I missing things? I feel like I'm missing things. Hope it's not related to work. So I'm supposed to be paying attention to those. Right? I'm supposed to be paying attention to work. Oh well. There's a health though. There is a health. HTTP request. It's request. This is literally what I was just looking at. Oh my gosh. Pointer to request. Oh, it's because I can't spell HTTP. And then this. Yep. Oh. I'm healthy, yeah. Like, that's really nice to have, just the good old health check that runs that. We don't want this to be crawler. We'll call this tweet to it. Tweet video. I guess my streams are really boring. I was told once, wise words, don't look at your viewer count. It's just gonna make you depressed, and it's not live. So, I mean, I get it. There's a lot of people I don't like to watch too, so. But I find them annoying. I don't tend to find myself annoying. Like, maybe there just isn't a market for people writing Go. Who knows? Maybe people just don't write Go. We're not gonna... Okay, and then this will not be crawl, but this will be tweet video. Yeah. Okay, and so this is why we need a server struct. This is why we need a server struct. Because we need... Oh my gosh. We need to be able to call this bot. Server would be the most popular? Nah, I'm pretty sure that watching Fortnite are still the most popular streams. Come on. Why would you want to watch coding streams when you could watch somebody get pwned on Fortnite? Oh, this is called server. So what should we call this? Well, we'll call it the Tweeterer server. No, it's not the tweet. We need this to have the Autobot. Yeah. And this is a pointer to botguts. The Autobot. Right? So this actually acts on the server. What do we call it? Tweeterer. Dang it. And so now this needs to act on the server. On the pointer to the Tweeterer. And this would now be s dot tweet video. Okay. And now this would be s.autobot.send tweet, right? Which is called in main. Oh gosh. Tweet YouTube video context. And so then, if error does not equal nil, look at that. We'll do a log printf, because at this point we're going to log everything, you know. Log all the things. And then, I want you to know that our tweet bot's getting some good Twitter traffic, so people like it. People are retweeting all of the tweets I've sent today. So that's good. Cool. We do need a context, but that context actually comes from the request, right? Request.context. And so we don't need that. it's a function? Perfect. So there you go. Tweet video. So now we need to make the server. Yeah. Func new tweeter server. Oh yeah, exactly that. What's wrong with this? Come on. So now we go to main, and instead we take that, and then we have a new, we'll call server equals server dot new tweeter. And then we put in that bot, right? I know we haven't, give me a second. Oh, we can't call it server. We'll call it S, right? S dot, not run, it's called serve HTTP. No, it's not. It's new. It's called server. It is called, oh. Somebody needs to export this. What the heck is this music? What the heck is this music? Oh my goodness. So like serious. Sirens, yes. Serious sirens. Oh my gosh. Let's go change that song. Oh, it's on auto DJ, that's why. It is, but there's a tool. If I go over here. No. Sorry, I'll go back there in a minute. Oh, yeah. Play that. I can limits user level anyone. So you should, there's like a command you can type to request a song. I just don't know what it is. Hey Lulu. Hey girl. How you doing? Maxie, you come to say hi too? You come in and sit under the desk. We haven't seen him the whole stream, huh, Lulu? We've gone 2 hours and 41 minutes without Max. No. You get him, Lulu. You get that Max. Okay. Right? That should have a question mark. And that should do just everything like that. Cool. Should we test it? So this is when we do go run. Well, let's do a go build and just make sure we didn't break nothing. Cool. go run main.go, and this should not exit. Listening on port. Now we should have a curl, right? And we want to do, let's hit health. I'm healthy, and then we'll curl. What was that called? Tweet video. Okay, and that would be evidenced by our profile refreshing and having another new one! My goodness, this is great! We're literally spamming it. I like that setup. I like which one do you like? Let's do a poll. Those videos. I have like 5 videos tweeted. Let's do a poll real quick. And let's figure out which one is a way. Where's the way to do your poll? Add a poll. Okay, new poll. Which tweets do you like? Which format do you like the best? And I expect all 2 of you to answer. Do you like the best? Line spaces. No line spaces. Or something else. Okay, there's your poll. This is line spaces. This is no line spaces. And obviously, we can always do something else. Wait, where's my third one? Right? Because we did Johan's as well. So, that one was also tweeted today. So, we got lots of reasons to poll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, we did that one with before we had the names. So anyway, cool. So that does work. And we didn't have to do anything. Database. Cool. I'm gonna cancel this. See, that works great. And that works just like I want it to. Let's go ahead and do it. Git add, git commit. We will do add server for GCP Cloud Run. How has it not been 3 hours? I feel like I've been streaming for 12 years. Have I not been streaming for 12 years? Cool. Now, I literally get to do exactly what I tell people to do in my talk, which is we've got to make a Docker file, we've got to add that to GCP, and we've got to run it. We will just run this on my Google Cloud account since I already have everything set up for that for the time being, and then when I transfer this over to Forge, that's when we'll have to yes, you're right, it does. Because that one was bad formatted before I had the name and the title flipped, so it was adding the title versus adding the username, so it was bad. Anyway. So that's why it was bad. Cool. What do I need to do now? I need to add a Docker file. So let's see. Let's just copy it. So we'll do a CP. A meetup chat server is not what I want to. I want to do it from the web crawler, and I want to do the Docker file. And then we can just do that here. And then we can just tape the Docker file. No, there is a Docker file. We don't need that. And it's not called Scraper. It's called Autobot. Right? Hopefully I don't get in trouble for using that term. If I get sued, I'll change the name. How's that? I think that's fair. I think for all 3 people watching, that'll be fine. And then yeah, now I literally... Should we pull up the slides for my talk and go through them? Make sure I follow the steps. I like literally having a new new video for my talk. I could change the examples to this because I want it to run. I was like, and so when you want to run a cron job for free and you don't want to build it yourself, do this. Oh, even better, it's actually on GitHub. Because I didn't build it as slides, it's in my talk. Go run GCP, there's the talk HTML. Why didn't it open as HTML? What's this business? Now we'll look at the PDF then. Look at how pretty, look at all those gophers. Do you listen to SoundCloud regularly, Jacobo? Look at that. We literally just copied that. Okay, so let's add. Oh. I'll have to create a new GCP project for this. I feel like that no I don't of you listening to SoundCloud is very sarcastic, and that's literally how you consume 90% of your music. Like, look, we already created that endpoint, so now we just have to create the schedule, which is to run. This one's every 5 minutes. We don't want it to run every 5 minutes. That's a good picture for hurdles. Well, not everybody gets to listen to music while they work/go to school, so... Some people like us do. Like right now, I'm listening to music while I am not working. Cool. So yeah, why don't you guys just Isn't this such a... aren't these gophers so cool? Like, that's literally us all the time. I need to make a new Google Cloud project.
I want you to tell every motherfucker behind these walls that if they get the notion to fuck with me,
Because we don't need a new project. This project is called Twitter. Oh, if I was smart, I wouldn't have a new one. But I'm not that smart. Oh, see, but I'm allowed to create 23 more projects. So if I'm allowed to create 23 more projects, don't you think I should create 23 more projects? All day, every day. Heck yeah. All day, every day. I don't know why it says bash gcloud submit builds. But let's go run that. Gcloud submit, not scheduler. But not, no, sorry, build submit, not submit builds. Builds submit, and it's not meetup web crawler store, it's now Twitter Autobot. And we're gonna call this one Tweet Automated Bot, right? Literally, it's Autobot. I did it! We're doing it, guys. Uh-oh. You broke it. You broke it, Twitch. It wasn't me. I don't break nothing. You like the no line spaces? Eh? We can change that. That's what you want. Like, we'll do that. I just see a lot of people adding spaces to their tweets, and so I get confused. You know? You know? I don't know what is the standard. I know that this is, we're trying though. Oh. Yeah, I definitely don't have that enabled. Like, if that's the problem, I didn't enable anything in that project. Okay, let's look. I thought that stopped. Okay. Yeah, cancel that. I need to go and enable the API. So. Don't forget to enable your APIs, guys. Which API is it? Container registry API. Container registry. I need to enable that. Enable. Yay, it's enabled for this project. And now I will be charged. They do charge you for all of your things. Docker images. You get charged per Docker image, so that's definitely a thing. Oh, it's 4:45. You know, time to prepare for dinner if you haven't. That's what Google just said. So if you haven't prepared for dinner yet, guys, go ahead and start thinking about dinner. Google wants to know. Google's very concerned about that. Okay, let's try this again. Now that that's enabled. I just heard the noise that somebody posted something on Discord. That's weird. Who gets on Discord these days? I don't get on Discord.
Hold up.
See, okay, so it's still not enabled. Oh wait, it did say it pushed successfully. Then what was it retrying? Oh, it just successfully tagged. So it was canceled. So it's definitely not on there. In case you were wondering, definitely not in the container registry. I don't have any images there right now. Which is weird. I'm surprised. Maybe it'll go faster if I don't have it on Wi-Fi. You never know. I never know these things. Did it say that last time? Yeah, it definitely did. It's done all this stuff. Retrying. How long do I let it retry before I decide it's broken? That's the question I pose to you.
Hold up.
Oh, now it's 20 seconds. It's adding 5 seconds every time. Kind of. That's some kind of a randomized back off. Wait, did it say it wasn't enabled?
Whoa.
Yeah. Boo! It totally is. I pressed the Autobot button, unless I misspelled Twitter Autobot. No, I didn't. Yeah, I enabled it. Do I need to update, like, my local GCP thing? Stop it. Like, it's like they're an update or something. Auth beta config. Version. Info. Yeah, let's try that. Well, that may have taken us to our stream for today. We'll just let that run. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun. I thought we had a really successful stream. I enjoyed it. I know I'm not the most exciting person in the world, but I did get music, which is a plus. Took a minute to figure out where the music was, but we did get it, so good for us. I'll be back next week, and we'll keep working on this. We'll keep building crap, and we will have fun. I'm going to throw a raid up to a friend of mine. I need to figure out a team. That's what I need to find out. I need to figure out a way to get a team on Twitch so that I just have people that are automatically watching and we get those numbers up and we just get those numbers up. Whatever. Anyway. Peace out, guys. If you want to join us at the Forge Kubernetes meetup, feel free to do that this week. And most importantly, join us for our next stream next Friday. We'll work on this, get it deployed, and hopefully we'll start working on the Slack bot. I mean, that's the goal. Get that Slack bot ready to run. Peace out.